आमिर खान का एक बहुत ही पॉपुलर डायलॉग है फ्रॉम द फिल्म थ्री इडियट्स। ये इंजीनियर सर बड़े चालाक होते हैं। ऐसी कोई मशीन ही नहीं बनाई जो यहाँ का प्रेशर नाप सके। बनाते तो पता चल जाता ना कि ये सुसाइड नहीं मर्डर है। और ये डायलॉग पॉपुलर फिल्म एक्टर सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के लाइफ और इंटरनल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स की सच्चाई को बहुत अच्छे से दर्शाता है। वेलकम टू TBH, मैं हूं नीता और इस पिछले हफ्ते there have been endless conversations about mental health and the importance of mental and emotional well-being. Mental health के बारे में बात करना is still considered a taboo in India, जबकि WHO की रिपोर्ट के हिसाब से around 7.5% of the Indian population suffers from some or the other form of mental ailment. So let's talk to leading psychiatrist Dr. Sameer Parekh about how to deal with this situation. डॉक्टर पारिक, सबसे पहले हमें बताइए that why do people refrain and restrain themselves from talking about mental health?
The key reason why people have been hesitant to speak about mental health, be it with their friends, their colleagues, their family, is because even now there's a lot of stigma around mental health. The feeling is that what if people mock at me? What if they blame me? What if they think it's my fault? What if they think I'm weak? This is one of the primary reasons why people don't open up. The other reason being lack of accessibility. Because psychiatrists and psychologists, A, they are short in number, and B, what is also is the case is that they are largely in the urban metro areas and not really in the more outreach of our country. So that also, because there isn't an availability of a doctor, that also increases the tendency of people to believe that maybe help would not be useful.
डिप्रेशन एंड एंजाइटी बहुत ही कॉमन फिनोमेना बन चुका है आज की डेट में। सो व्हाट इज द कॉज दैट लीड्स टू मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज लाइक डिप्रेशन एंड एंजाइटी?
The common illnesses that are there in mental health are, let's start with depression. Depression is the single largest illness in the world. 300 million people globally suffer from it. So how would you know about depression? Sadness of mood, loss of interest, loss of pleasure, worthless, hopeless, helpless thoughts, feeling down in the dumps, not feeling like going ahead with things, losing interest, and this happening for 2 weeks or so. This might be depression. Seeking medical advice is highly recommended. And in anxiety disorders, what happens is typically 1 in every 5 people might end up getting some kind of an anxiety disorder or the other. It's either in thinking where you tend to be very worrisome, fearful, or it could be in more body symptoms like palpitation, ghabrahat, restlessness. There are various kinds of anxiety disorders, panic disorders, phobias, specific or social anxiety. Then there is generalized anxiety disorder and more. It's recommended that you take treatment with the help of a psychiatrist and a psychologist.
Everyone's ready to lend a helping hand on social media to somebody who is depressed, लेकिन it's quite unlikely कि जो depressed है वो खुद आगे आकर बताए कि हाँ मैं depressed हूँ। So ऐसे में what are the signs of mental distress that one can look out for?
See, mental health, see it like this, that how would you know or how would I know that I'm having issues in my mental health? Change in behavior, which means either I'm getting aggressive, I'm getting withdrawn, I've stopped doing things I used to do, or I'm doing things which are rash, or I'm getting angry easily, I'm maybe not talking to my friends. Emotionally, I go through moods, either I'm feeling low or I'm feeling more excited, but I'm not staying fit. In thoughts pattern, meaning I'm either getting very negative thinking or I'm getting thoughts which are not true. So thought, emotion, behavior, which starts affecting my life, my functionality, my work, my personal social life, that's a red flag. You might need to talk to an expert.
Dr. Parekh, mental health is a growing concern. So आप कोई message देना चाहेंगे to all those who are watching this video today?
For all the people who are listening to this, my advice to you, unmute yourself. Don't bottle it up. Talk about it. If you are in distress, reach out for help. For people in the education sector, focus on life skills and resilience building when it comes to children. For people who are corporate India, business leaders, NGOs, let's value mental health outcomes and let's prioritize mental health.
WHO के हिसाब से by the end of 2020 around 20% of Indian population will be suffering from some or the other form of mental illness. And to cater to take care of this huge number, we have less than 4,000 mental health professionals. I think compassion is the solution. अगर हम compassion को अपनी society का foundation बनाएं, then there can be no anxiety or depression. क्योंकि जिसको depression है वो शायद खुद आकर Facebook या Instagram पे declare ना करे that hey I'm depressed. लेकिन अगर हम connected रहें with our families, friends, loved ones, people in our environment, we just keep checking on them, then it's highly likely कि हमें पता चल जाएगा that what is the mental state that the other person is in. क्योंकि एक बात तो पक्की है, we're all connected. एक वायरस जो दुनिया के किसी कोने में जिसका हैप्पी बर्थडे हुआ, आज की डेट में वो वायरस इंडिया के आखिरी गांव तक पहुंच चुका है. एंड दैट इज व्हाई माय फ्रेंड, किसी को आप कंपैशन दीजिए, कहीं और से कंपैशन आपको मिलेगा. एंड इफ यू वांट यू कैन आल्सो शेयर अ फ्यू कंपैशनेट वर्ड्स विद मी. healthshots@hindustantimes.com है मेरा पता. एंड डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू हेल्थ शॉट्स, क्योंकि यही है आपका डेली डोज ऑफ वेलनेस.